Good morning and welcome to the MAHI kitchen.
Today we're going to be making spicy tuna steaks with MAHI's fish marinade and with an avocado and mango salsa.
So let's get going.
So we're going to marinate the tuna for at least half an hour in the fridge. To make the salsa, dice the mango and the tomatoes, then slice the avocados and the spring onions, and then top it with the pomegranate seeds and a squeeze of lime.
Melt the coconut oil in a pan on a high heat and add the tuna steaks. Cook on each side for about 2 minutes. And there you have it. It's such an easy dish to make, but one of our favourites.
And it's a great dish for when you're having friends over because you're not in the kitchen for long and it's super tasty.